Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a tier list. So to do that, first go to your browser, and once you're here, just search for tier list. And then here you have this first website, tiermaker.com, and go to this website and you can see multiple templates over here already ready-made. So I'm just going to go here. So we have this template over here. Now if you want to make your own, just click on make a template and then give it your name. And now describe the template. I'm just going to do it quickly. Description, and then you can select your cover photo as well. So I'm just going to use this. Okay, open, and then URL. I don't think you need URL for the image credits. And then here we have this the ranking, and then just click on create. But we are not logged in, so let's log in quickly. Let's log in with Google, and now all you have to do is click on submit, and there you go. We have your own set of tier list. So that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.